On July 11th, officers responded to locate a suspect wanted in connection with a violent felony assault. What followed was a lengthy SWAT standoff that ended with a forced entry and K-9 apprehension. Here's what happened.
We gotta get in, Come on, boys, get that guy! Go! Careful! Hey, get up in this, Come on, get that guy! Yeah! You ready? Out! Now go! I'll put those back on if you need them. I got it, cops, I got it. Hey, can I get in front of you? Yeah.
According to investigators, negotiators spent time trying to resolve the standoff peacefully before the situation escalated. After the suspect allegedly threw objects at officers and attempted to start a fire inside the apartment, the SWAT team made entry and took him into custody on multiple allegations, including felony assault and arson.